Hi guys, welcome to EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing MA Urdu. And before starting this, I want to share something because EncycloHub provides different kind of service related to the courses like IGNOU courses and other university courses. If you want any type of related guidance, you can take paid consultancy. And other than if you want any solo assignments, previous solve papers, guest papers of any course, so you can contact us anytime. Now let's discuss about the course MA Urdu. First of all, MA Urdu is who can go for it. If you have a bachelor degree, you can do this. So career opportunity is that a Master of Arts in Urdu opens a wide range of career opportunities given Urdu's status as the 11th most spoken language in the world and its profound cultural and literary significance. So basically, you can go for higher education, research, teaching, translator, poet, language instructor, content editor, journalist, bilingual telephone interpreter, news writer, editorial assistant, script and dialogue writer, and many more. Now, eligibility if you have a bachelor degree, so you can do this course. Medium, of course, is Urdu, and duration of this course is 24 months and maximum is 48 months. Now, for national students, fees is 7,000 rupees per year. For full program to be paid here 6,100 per year plus registration fees. For international student, total fees is 12,200 per year. Examination fees is not included. You need to pay this fees at the time of the registration of the exam. Here course structure is given. In the year 1 and in the year 2 there are total 12 papers. After completing all the papers you will get a certificate. Now thank you so much and have a nice day. If you have any query related to anything you can contact us anytime. Now we will meet you soon on WhatsApp.